Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can blog to someone on Instagram. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to install the Instagram app. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So I'm going to open on this. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the Instagram app is open now. So as you can see, the Instagram app is open now. What we need to do, simply we have to open the search, we have to open the chat of that person whom we want to block. So for example, I'm going to open this one. So as you can see, this is the chat. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here are some options like the profile. If you want to see the profile, then you have to click on the profile, or if you want to search, then you have to click on the search. You can search anything related to this, or if you want to mute it, then you have to click on this, and now you have some options like the mute message and the mute call. And after that, as you can see, has an option to us options. So let's click on these three dots, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here we have options like the restrict and block and report. So if you want to block it, then you have to click on the block. For example, here are some other options as well like the chat control. If you want to move to chat, you can also do that. Privacy and safety, some options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also use this. As you can see here, you will also get the block button again. If you want to block it from here, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and now we have to click on the block, and this contact will be blocked. So as you can see, the contact is blocked. So in this way you can block it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can block to someone on Instagram. You just have to follow these steps. So see you guys in the next video.